As I was documenting this job, very important to document your work. The assistant's pre-dicing. That front door has been closed the entire time. Two things I want to reiterate. One, most cleaners in Tallahassee don't pre-vacuum. They won't do it. It's not in their business model. It just won't happen. Two, that door remains open the entire time. Flies, bugs, snakes, not to mention other rodents can come into your home. Very bad, right? Not to mention it's very hot outside. But with SET, soil extraction transfer technology, low moisture approach to carpet cleaning, we have none of that. Door stays closed the entire time. Carpets dry in 1 hour.